This is my Hudson pumpkin. And look at that, it's blooming. So what I did, I took the inside from the male. See how it looks? Like a penis. And now I'm going to stick it in there to cross pollinate. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it so that so you just rub it up all over. And you could leave it right there as well because the flower is gonna close. Fell down below. But this came out of the male flower down there. I took it out and cross-pollinated myself because I'm not sure, you know, if my little modern natures are gonna come out. Yep. So, yep, that's what you do. You take the little thing and you stick it right up in there. And you take care of it yourself. So you cross-pollinate. I leave it right there because the flower is gonna close up. So that's it. So in a couple of months, not even a month, probably 2 months, I'm gonna have my nice pumpkin. Yep. There was another female one that's coming up. See her? Yep. As soon as she spits the flowers out, I'm gonna do the same thing. And here are some male ones. Just want to make sure you know the difference. That's a male right there because it don't have the fruit on it. The vegetable. Make sure. There it is. That's what you're looking for.